In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can open your bins as a separate floating panel or a new window in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my project here, and in my project window, which if that one isn't visible, you can go to Window and then go to Projects and choose a project you're working on. So here, if I now double click this bin, as you can see, it opens in place. So I have my bin opened, I can go back by clicking here, and then I'm back in my project window. But that can be a bit of a hassle if you have lots of bins and you just want to open your bin as a new panel or a separate floating window. There are three options to do so. Well, there are two options and there's one option to configure the default settings. First, if you hold down your Command or Control key and you double click, it opens as a new panel here. As you can see, it's now here and I can go back to my project by just going there and clicking it. If I hold down my Alt or Option key and I double click, it opens in a separate window. So that's also an option. But what if you want to configure your default settings for your bins? So to do so, you're going to go to Edit if you're working on a Windows computer, and then Preferences, General, or Premiere Pro Settings, and then General for a Mac computer. So in general, as you can see here, we have the bins option. And now double click as configured as open in place, Control Command open a new tab, and Alt or Option open a new window. But you can configure your double click to open either in a new tab or in a new window. And for me, I prefer the tab, so I will choose open in a new tab. And if I then press OK, if I now double click this random bin, then it opens in a new panel here, as you can see, and I can always go back here. So that's how you can configure your default settings, your default behavior for your bins, and open your bins in a floating panel or a separate window in Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.